Okay, so let's see how to calculate distance and measure length in using this matrix or rhino tool. Suppose I have created something uh, on this grids. This is my C plane. So let's bring it to center, control alter and C. So object will move to center, and we can also apply this align center command, so everything comes to center. Okay, so now let's suppose I want to measure this distance. So here is the option analyze and go to distance option and click one by one those 2 points, and you can see here this is the distance as shown in command bar. If your command bar is not open properly, you cannot see your measured value. Okay, same way you can also analyze your length. So suppose if you want to measure length, you can also directly click on this edge or line. So this will all directly show you the details. Okay, here is also available angle, radius and diameter. So suppose if I want to measure any diameter or the radius of the circle, so here is the option, that is the radius. So you can measure the radius, it's 7.089, so it's 7.09. Okay, and you can also measure diameter. So here is the diameter, it's double of that value. So this way you can measure uh, radius and diameter. You can also measure angle. So if you want to measure angle between two lines, so here is the option, you need to create two lines for the reference. Okay, means this is for understanding how to calculate angle. So this is the, and okay, let me create this first line. So there is a starting of first line and end point of first line. Now it is asking the start of second line and end of the second line. So this way it will show you the angle, it is 56.61. You can if you want to create dimension, you can also do the same way. So this way you can measure the value. Okay, here I think I have, okay, it is the same 55.61, and this is the round figure there. This is perfect. So this way you can measure the different values and you can apply dimensions. You can also place your dimensions this way. If you want a radius, so here is the radial dimension. And now, okay, if you want to put it as a dimension, you can also do the same thing here. Align is for any angular distance and linear is for straight, horizontal or vertical. It will create the dimension horizontal or vertical way. Okay, and if you want to make any changes to the size and the arrow size and everything, so dimension having the dimension style manager. So here you can change your style, select your style, current style, and go to the edit option. Here you can find different things. So this is a text height. Suppose I want to make it little bit step higher. Okay, this is for the text related content. And if you want to change, make any change in the arrow, so suppose let's make it 1.25, 1.25, and now apply. So this becomes larger. So let's make it undo. So okay, it's not applied. Let's do it again. Dimension style manager, and here you can apply. It's very little bit change. So let's make it 1.5, and similar way here we can also apply 1.5 and 1.5. Okay, so now let's check it the preview. So you can see here this is the fine. Now let's make it okay. Thank you.